Inspector General of Punjab Police Inam Ghani chaired executive board session on Monday and considered increasing powers of additional IG investigation. Reinforcements of police uniforms and final approval of designs of ranks were also discussed during the meeting. Speaking on the occasion, the IG said additional IG investigation should visit the regions and districts to review the performance of investigating officers and improve the quality of investigation in robbery, murder, kidnapping, for ransom, and other serious crimes. He said in the process of accountability of the force, the punishment and then discipline policy must be taken into consideration. Officers who give punishments contrary to the prescribed SOPs should be called to account by issuing letters of reasons. Inam Ghani further said ensuring the best use of available resources for training and capacity building of police force is one of the top priorities of the department. Upgrading training modules as well as promoting use of modern IT technology in all training courses is among other top priorities of the department. He directed to further improve the quality of uniforms, saying comfortable and better fabrics should be selected for the uniforms of police force, which could withstand all kinds of weather conditions as well as both office and field duties. The meeting deliberated in detail to finalize the design of ranks for various posts. IG Punjab directed to finalize the recommendations in this regard. The IG was giving instructions to the officers at a meeting of the Police Executive Board held at the Central Police Office yesterday. During the meeting, consideration was also given to writing ACRs of investigating officers and further enhancing the powers of additional IG investigation. During the meeting, additional IG establishment Azhar Hamid Khokhar and other officers expressed their views on the issues under discussion and presented their suggestions and recommendations. IG Inam Ghani instructed that all suggestions should be finalized and presented at the next session of the Executive Board for final approval. He further said departmental promotion board meetings should be held regularly for timely promotion of personnel as per merit and seniority. All officers should complete ACRs of their subordinates in time so that there would be no impediment in holding promotion board sessions. All additional IGs, DIGs and other officers including AIGs were present in the meeting.